Guys, we're so sad right now because we're in the middle of argument whether we should stay or not. Focus the camera on me. And we choose to stay here. However, we don't have enough funds. So comment down below if you want to transfer some funds.
Hi, please send stars below.
You wanna see some boobs?
Dati kapag ka gumaganyan, feeling ko ang ganda ko ngayon. Parang ano na ako eh, baluga.
Charot. Oh!
Ayan, nabidyohan pa kita.
Nabidyohan pa. Mala dyan.
Wow! Sunbathing?
Wow, ulo ako.
Pasabog?
Shala, oh. Nangiirap pa yan.
Wow!
Hi guys. Say hi.
Vlogger pala.
Hi. Ay, hindi mo alam. I have 1 million subscribers. Tanika. Guys, say hello.
Aray ko! Huwag na mag-shades nga. May bato pala. Look! What's that?
Can you eat bananas?
May uwi nga makabang.
Effect talaga.
2, 3, go!
Bye, guys.
Oh! Isa.
Ika-picture kami dyan tapos kay Admin. Bella, lagay mo yung dalawa. Ikaw.
Coffee roux and the drinks are terrible. Ano pa? Mannequin challenge. Oh, hindi ko magalaw.